Are y'all ready for this?
Grilled lamb chops and some grilled shrimp kebabs.
So here are the ingredients. So our lamb has been marinating, peppers and onions, and our shrimps.
So we're gonna get these on. So I did one of the strips. It's for y'all seafood lovers, okay? We ain't gonna pepper it out. That one for y'all. Girl, look at these babies.
We'll be right back.
Our shrimps are cooking. Let's give this baby a taste. You wanna bite? The meat. Tender.
Look at those, y'all. Look at that.
Baby, this is where it's at. Bring the flavors to your home from mine.